Welcome to the Comm Systems channel, your trusted source for secure, reliable, and high-speed communication solutions. Today, we're exploring one of the most important topics in our digital age: why fiber optic cables are ideal for secure remote work. Remote work has become a standard part of business life. From video conferencing and cloud computing to data transfers and real-time collaboration, employees depend on fast and stable internet connections to stay productive. But along with this convenience comes a major challenge: data security. Traditional copper-based networks rely on electrical signals, which are vulnerable to interference, signal loss, and even tapping. In contrast, fiber optic cables transmit data using light, making them immune to electromagnetic interference and extremely difficult to intercept. This unique property makes fiber the safest and most reliable medium for transmitting sensitive business information remotely. When employees access company networks from home or on the road, they need strong, consistent bandwidth to support large video files, VPNs, and encrypted communications. Fiber optic networks deliver superior speed, low latency, and high bandwidth capacity, ensuring secure and smooth data flow between remote users and corporate servers without the lag or data corruption that can happen on copper or wireless connections. At Comm Systems, we install and certify fiber optic networks that are purpose-built for modern hybrid work environments. Our systems are engineered to handle heavy data loads while maintaining maximum security and uptime, helping businesses operate safely from anywhere. Whether you're managing a distributed workforce, connecting branch offices, or securing access to cloud-based systems, fiber provides the backbone for dependable and protected remote work. With fiber, remote workers enjoy crystal-clear video calls, instant file sharing, and uninterrupted VPN access, all while their data remains safe from interference and unauthorized interception. It's the infrastructure that empowers secure productivity in the remote work era. At Comm Systems, we design, install, and maintain secure fiber optic networks that keep businesses connected, compliant, and ready for the future of remote work. Contact us today to learn how fiber optics can strengthen your company's communication and security from the office to the home workspace. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com. Like and subscribe for more expert insights on fiber optics, secure networking, and advanced communication solutions from Comm Systems, your trusted partner in connectivity and innovation.